Hey guys, what is going on? So today's video we're going to be opening up a bunch of Hot Wheels. I got 3 different 3-packs and I bought these for specific cars, as well as this Fast and the Furious set we're going to bust open, which as you can see it has the Mark IV Supra that everybody loves and enjoys. It kind of breaks my heart to kind of open this up, but honestly I was at a Target yesterday and I was like looking through all the different 5-packs, and in the very back, right up against like the back wall of the shelf, I saw a little Fast and Furious logo. Pulled it out. There's some dings and stuff on the box. The plastic is kind of scraped up, so it's like not in like perfect condition or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and bust this open. There's some like the top was actually creased. There's like some creases in the packaging, so it's not in perfect condition. I still have a couple of these that I'm not gonna open, but we're gonna bust that open. But also we got this Hot Wheels 9-pack, and it has a couple Lamborghinis. We got the Aventador J as well as the Centenario. So I'm super excited to bust that open. There's some other cool cars in this as well. A couple Corvettes, also Nissan 370Z. So we're gonna go ahead and let's open the 3-packs first. So each one of these, let me just set 2 of them aside. I bought them for specific reasons. So this one, as you can see, there's a beautiful Porsche sitting right up there on top. The other 2 cars are just kind of generic cars, so not too worried about them. But that car right there up on top is why I bought this. I'm kind of failing at opening this package here. I'm not used to opening Hot Wheels, so like I don't really know how they're sealed. But here's the pride and joy that I got this for. Let's see, the Porsche 911 GT2. Which looks really, really nice there. It looks really good in silver. And then it has stripes on the roof and down the hood. Kind of flares out on the front end there. It has like the tinted window, this tinted windshield. And then like the headlights as well. But then like the side windows are open. And then the back end looks really nice as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of like my favorites from this opening. And we're going to race it on the 6-lane raceway. So that's going to be pretty awesome as well. Since we're doing Porsches, let me go ahead and open up this 3-pack with that Cayman. Got a couple generics here, which we're just going to set off to the side. And then there's that Porsche Cayman that I got this for. So as you can see, it's all black and it has like the gray stripes down the side as well as like the matching gray wheels. The front end looks really good. So plain, no stripes down the middle or top. And if I remember right, yeah, so the other one, which was the previous one, let me hold it here. So you can see the 2 side by side, they had the exact same stripes. However, the previous one actually had stripes that went down the roof, hood, and trunk. So that's kind of interesting. And then this one is just completely plain on top with just the side stripes. So that's kind of cool, changing up a little bit. But let's go ahead and bust open this 3rd one. And this one I got for the Lamborghini Huracan. But let's go ahead and take out that Lamborghini Huracan. Oh, that actually looks really nice. I really like that. Okay, so you can see it's like that beautiful blue with like the black wheels. There's the front end, but it has a pair of stripes that go up the hood, roof, and that little piece there on the trunk. And then whenever you swing it around, you can see that the exhaust tips are actually colored. And then the plate says Huracan on there. So that's actually a really cool attention to detail. I like how they colored like the exhaust tips so that they stand out quite a bit more. But wow, this car looks absolutely amazing. I love that color. And especially with those black stripes, it looks so good. But so far, let me know which one of these 3 you guys like. And let's go ahead and move on to, yeah, let's do the 9-pack. We'll go ahead and bust this thing open. But let's go ahead and start. We have that actually looks really cool. It's a Volkswagen Beetle. And it has like that really cool like Hot Wheels like font, or Hot Wheels in the cool font on the side. And then let's go ahead and bust open or pull out this. That's actually really interesting. So it's a old school Corvette. I don't know much about Corvettes and the years and whatnot, but the body is actually plastic. Usually you see plastic body cars as being like the generic cars, and then the bottom, the base being being metal for those, but this one, the base is metal and the whole top is plastic. That is very interesting because obviously it's like die-cast cars and the plastic is not really die-cast, but it still looks good. You have like the stripes there on the side. It says Corvette. While we're on the topic of Corvettes, I actually do already have one of these opened, a C8R. It actually looks really good with all the stripes and decals on it. Got that giant wing there on the back, and then the whole front end looks super aggressive and really crazy. But like I said, I do already have an open one of these, so now I got two. And then the exclusive one for the pack is this Nissan 370Z, and it's actually in this like really nice sparkly kind of silver, and I really like that. Like in the direct light, I don't know if it's really showing up on camera, but it has like a really bold like sparkle to it. So that's really cool. And then obviously like the black decals there on the sides. But here is the Lamborghini Aventador R, which is the open top, which looks absolutely amazing. Got the stripes right there on the hood. And this thing is really crazy looking. And that color is just super bright as well. So I really wanted it for this car. I do have it in a couple other colors. So it is nice now that I have it in a bright green. And let's go ahead and pull out that Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. And that is finished in a really nice just black with the orange base, but with the trim that sticks up, all those accents you see like that orange all the way around except on the back. So now we got some pretty awesome cars lined up here, and let's go ahead and bust open the Hot Wheels Fast and the Furious set. Oh, this kind of breaks my heart a little bit to like open this up. I kind of hate it, but at the same time, it's going to be so worth it being able to race these cars on the 6-lane raceway. I'm going to do a whole race with just these cars, so that'll be kind of cool as well. So definitely stay tuned because that will be in this video. So let's go ahead and just start right up top. Wow, that already has like a lot of weight to it. That is amazing. So being able to hold this is really cool because it's so much different than just seeing it through the package. Let's go ahead and pull out the Mustang next, which is in like a green, kind of a glittery, which looks really cool, and it has like the stripes that go down. And then what's this, the Chevelle? Wow, once again, it has a lot of weight to it. I know a lot of old school American muscle cars are nice and heavy in real life, but wow, this thing is really hefty. Finished like in that matte gray. And then we got the Aston Martin, which is really cool. Wow, yeah, attention to detail looks really nice. Even like the grill, it's like that traditional Aston Martin grill. But the final car that we've all been waiting for, at least I've been excited for. But look at that. That's the icon itself. That Hot Wheels Toyota Supra. Wow, that is so nice just to be able to at least have it here in my hands, to be holding it. And this thing looks incredible. But we got all the cars here lined up, and we're going to go ahead and let's take the 5 Fast and the Furious, race those. And then we also have kind of like these 5 supercars, and let's add, we'll see which one. Actually, no, let's race the other cars, take the winning car, move it on against the supercars, and see which one is going to race against the Porsches and Lamborghinis. We got 2 Corvettes, Volkswagen, or the Nissan. I'm not going to run the generic cars in this video, but let's go ahead and race these cars. Alright, so this is my new setup for the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. I did get this giant display thing right here, which holds a 184 Hot Wheels. And as you see, I'm already kind of full. And I just opened a bunch more, so I do have another one of these coming, and then also have this really cool display as well. So soon I'm going to have a second one of these sitting right here, and maybe I'll move this onto this back wall. But if you guys want to pick up one of these, there's going to be a link in the description down below, as well as these. They are on Amazon, and they are amazing quality, and it is the perfect backdrop for the finish line right here. So we're going to go ahead and go to the top of the track all the way up here, and we got the Fast and the Furious cars lined up, ready to go. So let's go ahead and race these and see which one of these is the fastest in 3, 2, 1. The Toyota Supra is actually the fastest, which is absolutely amazing. So I am super excited to see the Supra as the winner there. That is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and set it right here. I'm going to move these cars off of the track. So we're going to race these 4 cars to see which one of these will move on to the Supercar race. So let's go ahead and throw these up at the top of the track and see which one of these is fastest and which one's moving on. All right, so we went ahead and lined them up at the top. Let's go ahead and race them in 3, 2, 1. All right, so that actually kind of surprised me. It was the plastic Corvette with the metal base. So I'm wondering if that lower center of gravity actually gave it the advantage. So let's go ahead and put this up at the top, and we'll go ahead and race it against the other supercars. All right, so here they are lined up, and I am absolutely loving these bright colors. But let's go ahead and race these to see which one of these is the fastest out of the cars I opened up that are the non-generic cars. But I am super excited. But let's go ahead and race these cars in 3, 2, 1.
Winner, lane 5.
All right, so we had the blue Lamborghini Huracan as the winner. And that is my absolute favorite out of all these. Well, that and the Supra. But since these are both the winners, let's go ahead and take both of these cars, run them head to head. Let's see, let's do the Supra in lane 5 and the Huracan in lane 4. Actually, let's do it a little bit closer. Let's shift these over. There we go. Which one is going to win? Let me know down in the comments below, and then go ahead and play the video and find out. But we'll find out in 3, 2, 1. All right, so I do want to try that again because I noticed that was in lane 5. Let me go ahead and put the Supra in lane 5 and the Huracan in the other lane to see if there's any discrepancies or anything. So we'll go ahead and run those in opposite lanes. 3, 2, 1. So let's go ahead, change it up. I'm just curious if I put them in different lanes, what'll happen. But here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Winner, lane 1.
Wow, so the Supra was just a hair faster than the Lamborghini. And now I want to do one more race, put them in different spots. Let's do lanes 3 and 4 and run this one more time in 3, 2, 1. All right, so most of those, they were like neck and neck, but the Supra did slightly pull ahead. So out of these two absolutely amazing cars, the Toyota Supra pulled ahead just a little bit further than the Huracan, but that is absolutely amazing as the Toyota Supra is such an iconic car, especially the Fast and the Furious car. But did you guys expect these results? And also let me know what you guys want to see race next. Like I said, I do have a lot more cars coming, and I do have another one of these coming because I already have too many cars. Even though you don't see them here, I have a lot more that I need to put in. So, yeah. All right, guys, so that race was actually really awesome. I did run the Supra and Lamborghini head-to-head a couple different times, different lanes, and the majority of the time, the Supra did pull ahead of the Lamborghini. But they were pretty close, honestly. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Let me know what you guys want to see race next. Also, there's going to be links in the description down below so you guys can pick up the big giant set of kind of like the shelf to hold all the cars, like with all the little cubbies, or even the one where you can just slide in the Hot Wheels still in the package. It's going to be all those links down below. Also, do case unboxings. You can see my entire stack of empty boxes here. I do have links for that as well, so definitely go pick up some of those, and you do have a chance with a super treasure hunt with these. So if you guys like this video, though, definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.